This is going to be a video tutorial on how to clear your watch history on the YouTube app. I'll be using an iPhone for this, but the steps should be very similar on other devices. Let me jump over to my phone here. To clear your watch history on the YouTube app, the first thing you want to do is tap on your profile icon in the upper right hand corner. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings and tap on that. And from here, you want to tap on History and Privacy. And right here, the very top thing, Clear Watch History. Clear this account's watch history from all devices. This will also clear your story's watch history. Tap on that, and then tap on Clear Watch History. Now you can see at the bottom it says Watch History is cleared. That is how you clear your watch history on the YouTube app. Thanks for watching.